Hi guys! Happy Sunday! Fiesta ron sa Mother Perpetual Help o Father's Day pod karon. Kuyog na mo si Daddy, nagsimba mi Sir Redemptorist. Thank you Lord for the gift of family and good health namong tanan. Medyo gutom naman guys. Since it's Father's Day, we want something new. So we've decided to try one of the best recommended steakhouses in Cebu City. So we are at Acacia Steakhouse. If you're a nature lover at gusto nyong makarelax, this is the right place for you. So this is their menu, and we ordered something na good for sharing. Pinaserve muna namin tong porcini truffle soup. This is their black pepper steak set. Angus salpikaw. Kasama din tong scallop sa set nila. And this is black pepper chicken.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Happy Father's Day!
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Happy Father's Day, baby! Salamat, Tanta! Birthday!